What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering why you're all up in my face already, but today is a special video for my friend Marlo. Her birthday is on February 1st, and her request for a birthday present was for me to do an in-depth winged eyeliner tutorial. And so since I was going to go ahead and do it for my demo that I'm doing of this eye look that will be soon to come with the Manny Lunar Beauty Greek Goddess palette, I thought I would go ahead and film this so that I could get this out for her on her birthday. So happy birthday, Marlo. I love you. I hope this is what you were looking for. I'll do my best. Today I'm going to use two different eyeliners. One to outline because it's very controllable, and this is the Ico Black Magic, and the other is Superhero It Cosmetics, and I'll use that to fill in the areas that don't have any color. So this is how I begin, and I think I might even come in just a tad closer, and hopefully it will stay focused for you. I start off, and I don't go all the way into my inner corner. I go right, probably a millimeter shy of going all the way to my inner corner, because especially with frosty shadows, I don't want it to bleed. So I lay it parallel to my eyelid and lay it down and pull as far across as I can. Just lay down a line. I'm kind of just making an outline. And with hooded eyes, I think this is what people run into. If you look directly into your, like straight on into your mirror, you can see, let me do it right here. When I look straight into my mirror, I can see where my hood is, which is right here. And it's a little bit different on both of my eyes. This one is more hooded. And so I make sure when I do my line that I don't go into that hood, because it will close up when my eye is open. So I make sure that it's underneath that. And I'll show you, I think, what the key is. And that is, I think a lot of people are trying to go up with their line. And whenever you have a hooded eye, I start right where my upper lid and my lower lid connect. I literally go right into it. And I pull out. That's the thing. I don't go up. I pull out before I go up. And I kind of go in a circle. So, or a semicircle. I start here, I go out and up. And that's not really a very dark line. Out and up. I'm going to grab the other one. I was doing some organizing, and I found that I actually already had this, and so I'm probably using the old one. I'm going to put that in my empties and go into the new one so I can show you the line. I really want you to see how I do this. I go out and then up. Hopefully you can see that. Then I go to the very end of that line and pull down, and I make sure that I go under where my hood closes. And sometimes I'll, increase that and make that wider, but when my eye is open, my line is not closed into my hood. So I'll show that again without talking. And I have been loving a wider wing, not like a super pointy one. And I just try to make sure that they're slightly even. Now I go in with my Superhero, and I just fill it in. You guys, it's really hard to talk and do this. So I'm going to be quiet until I have something I need to tell you. I hope this is focused. I'm going to touch it, make sure. Usually when I get this close and I'm doing anything that has any movement, sometimes I lose focus. And since I'm finally doing this for Marlo and everybody else with hooded eyes, I want it to be focused. So please be focused, camera. It's hard to tell in the viewfinder if you are. just make sure and go all the way down to the lash line, right even in. I go like all the way into my lashes because I don't tight line very often. So that's that. Next side. I clean up this line as well when I'm doing this. Sometimes if I get a lot of product on my brush, I will wipe it off, close it, shake it, because these kind of lids push down and draw product down. The ones that if you feel a little resistance when you're closing your cap, and that will like regenerate the liner. And also, this is an older superhero. This is my favorite. It is so good. But I have some replacements on the way because this one is on its last leg, but it is the blackest and the mattest, and I love the brush tip. I love the staying power. I love everything about it. And sometimes when I'm doing this part, I'll try to perfect that line. But a good rule of thumb is leave well enough alone. It's not going to be perfect. It's never going to be perfect. You're going to have good eyeliner days and you're going to have bad eyeliner days. And if they even slightly resemble each other, it's a good eyeliner day. If you look from side to side, I like to look into a non-magnified mirror and just see if I like my lines. And for the most part, I do. And sorry if I'm going out of frame. I really wanted to be close up for you guys. But that's really what I do. And you know, it varies. And see, I never follow my own rule. I tell people to leave well enough alone, and I don't ever leave well enough alone because I'm a perfectionist and I know what it's going to look like once I get lashes on. So I want to see what I want to see. So that is how I do winged eyeliner for my hooded eyes. I hope it's helpful. Ooh, this eye look though, you guys. It's looking pretty fancy. I like it. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Marlo, I hope this helps you out. I hope this is what you were looking for. I tried. Happy birthday. I hope that your day is filled with all the blessings, love, laughter, and joy that your heart and hands can hold. I love you. Mwah. And for the rest of you, if you liked the video, please, let me just go out. I feel so weird being so close. For the rest of you, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.